What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best dash cams in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. In this review, we'll be discussing the top-rated mini dashcam of 2024, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. This small dashcam is a testament to the power of simplicity. It doesn't bombard you with redundant features, but focuses on delivering high-definition footage and offering a set of practical voice control commands. The Mini 2 from Garmin is so compact that it's barely larger than a keychain. Despite its size, it can capture full HD videos at 30 frames per second with its 140-degree lens. This might be slightly less expansive compared to other Garmin dashcams with 180-degree lenses that record at 1440p, but considering the Mini 2's size and price, 1080p recording is more than satisfactory. The design of the Dashcam Mini 2 is minimalistic, with only a lens and a ball and socket joint on the front, which connects to a short arm with adhesive backing for windshield mounting. You would need to provide your own memory card, as Garmin does not include one in the package. The camera supports cards ranging from 8GB to 512GB, with Garmin recommending Class 10 cards or faster. The Dashcam Mini 2 has only 2 buttons, one for turning the audio recording on and off, and the other for saving the most recent part of the recording. The strategic placement of this button ensures that you can press it quickly when needed. While the camera automatically saves footage when it detects a crash, this button comes in handy for manually saving video of unexpected incidents. Audio recording is also an available feature that can be controlled using the button on the back of the camera. Alternatively, you can control the audio recording by speaking to the camera. The voice control system of Garmin is reliable, with the Hey Garmin command effectively initiating interaction. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. We're shifting gears to focus on the 70mm A800S dashcam, a standout in our lineup of top-value dashcams for 2024. This product is crafted by 70mm, a Xiaomi subsidiary known for their expertise in automotive technology. The A800S is not their first foray into dashcams, and it shows in the device's quality and performance. Unboxing the A800S reveals a well-organized package that exudes a premium feel. Each component has its designated spot, reflecting the manufacturer's attention to detail and commitment to quality. The dashcam can be conveniently connected to your car's standard USB port, whether it's located in the cigarette lighter socket or the rear passenger footwell. The supplied cable is long enough for easy installation, and there won't be any superfluous wires cluttering your dashboard. This 70mm A800S can also be wired directly to your car's electrical system using a special cable provided by 70mm. This cable connects the dashcam on one end and the car's internal wiring on the other, ensuring a secure connection. The dashcam's design allows it to blend seamlessly with your windshield. Positioned behind the rearview mirror, it stays out of sight, yet fully functional, capturing all the necessary footage without being a distraction. The A800S captures videos in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, with a viewing angle of 140 degrees. This level of detail is vital in recording vital information, like car models and license plate numbers, which can be crucial in case of disputes or accidents. The device supports cyclic video recording, allowing for longer recording cycles with larger memory cards. It accommodates micro SD cards up to 256GB. The dashcam features a large 3-inch screen facing the interior, displaying real-time footage and allowing playback when needed. It also shows a link for downloading the app to your smartphone for easy video transfer. To cover all angles, the A800S allows for the connection of an additional camera to capture what's happening behind the car. This rear camera records in full HD, 1920 by 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second, with the footage saved on the memory card. Good stuff. Introducing the Vantrue N5, a remarkable mid-tier dashcam that has made its mark in 2024. This quad-channel dashcam comes equipped with both front and rear cameras, as well as dual interior cameras, providing near-complete surveillance of your vehicle's surroundings. The 2 interior cameras offer an extended view, capturing incidents through the side windows that might be missed by the exterior cameras. While blind spots might hinder a full 360-degree coverage, the coverage provided is impressively comprehensive. The front and interior camera mount, cylindrical in shape, measures 4.88 inches in width and 2.7 inches in height from the magnetic base to the bottom of the camera. The SD card slot is located beneath the magnetic cover on one end of the device, while the other end simply carries the logo. The auxiliary power cable connects to the Type-C port on the underside of the bracket, which means the camera loses power when detached. Located at the base of the front camera are 4 buttons for navigating the menu, toggling Wi-Fi connectivity for smartphone app linkage, and controlling video and audio recording, amongst other functions. The N5 also responds to voice commands like lock video and take a photo. The rear and interior camera bodies share the same cylindrical design as the front, offering a refreshing departure from the often disjointed style seen elsewhere. However, they're considerably smaller, measuring just 3.34 inches in width and 1.5 inches in height. Both cameras can rotate about 45 degrees to adjust the recording angle. As for mounting, both rear and front cameras use semi-permanent adhesive mounts. The front mount offers vertical and horizontal adjustments for easy installation, while the front camera body attaches magnetically to its mount and can be detached. The rear camera is fixed. They're connected by a somewhat thick 20-foot Type-C cable. Adding to its features, the Vantrue app provides a live view and easy access to various settings. The built-in GPS feature embeds location data into the video footage, allowing you to track your routes using the downloaded player. The interior front-facing camera delivers vibrant colors and clear details, although nighttime footage could benefit from improved detail capture. Our next discussion centers on the Garmin Dashcam 67W, a strong contender in the dashcam lineup for 2024. This petite yet powerful device delivers 1440p HD video recording under diverse lighting conditions, from bright daylight to dimly lit scenarios, and even in rainy weather. Building on the strengths of its predecessor, the 67W introduces additional features, such as vault storage for backup and remote access via Garmin's mobile apps. However, it requires a stable Wi-Fi connection, making it less versatile compared to competitors with integrated SIM capabilities. Garmin is a familiar name among outdoor enthusiasts, known for its range of devices for cycling, running, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The common thread tying these devices together is the Intuitive Connect app, a comprehensive platform for health and wellness management. This expertise extends to the Garmin Drive app, which, while not as extensive as the Connect app, outperforms many dashcam apps in terms of user-friendliness. Once connected to a Wi-Fi network, the device can remember multiple networks. The 67-watt automatically uploads saved clips to Garmin's Vault for 24-hour storage. Longer storage periods are available with a subscription plan. The Garmin Drive app also enables real-time viewing of the camera feed, even when the vehicle is parked. The Garmin 67W retains all the top-tier features of the 66W, including clear 4K 1440p videos that remain sharp under various lighting conditions, thanks to its high dynamic range HDR function. Like most contemporary dashcams, the 67W automatically saves footage to a micro SD card, not included, upon detecting an incident via its built-in G-sensor. It also records continuously, overwriting old footage unless manually saved or automatically preserved by the system. Although the device's screen measures only 2 inches, it suffices for initial setup. Remarkably, the battery lasts approximately 30 minutes when not connected to power. Measuring just over 5 centimeters in width and 4 centimeters in height, the Garmin Dashcam 67W is compact and easy to conceal on the windshield. The combination of 1440p resolution and HDR recording ensures high-quality footage in various lighting conditions, from bright daylight to the dimness of a fall evening. A thumbs up from here. Introducing the champion of the dashcam world in 2024, the Nextbase 622GW Dashcam. This top-tier device boasts a built-in polarizing filter, image stabilization, 4K video resolution, and a superior night vision mode. The resulting footage is of premium quality, making it effortless to discern license plates and vehicle details under any condition. The incorporation of Alexa voice control and What 3 Words geolocation for emergencies only amplifies its appeal. Nextbase has consistently led the charge in innovative dashcam technology, and their latest model, the 622GW, brims with cutting-edge video recording capabilities that solidify its place among the best dashcams available. Key among its features is the new Ambarella H22 quad-core chipset, enabling the capture of sharp 4K footage at 30 FPS. The company has also included a detachable polarizing filter. This feature allows drivers to adjust the frame on the lens front, producing stunning glare-free shots. Under normal welded conditions, the 4K footage rivals entry-level GoPro offerings. The super slow-motion settings allow for easy slowing down of playback at 120 FPS, perfect for capturing crucial details like the license plate in a hit-and-run incident or individual frames during an accident. An optional rear camera module offering 1080p 30 FPS recording can be added, but it's sold separately. A major advantage is that it connects directly to the side of the 622GW, eliminating the need for a long dangling wire from the rear window. Interacting with the Nextbase 622GW is through a crisp 3-inch full-color rear touchscreen. Alternatively, Amazon Alexa voice control can be linked to the 622GW via the My Nextbase Connect companion app. available for both iOS and Android devices. Once connected, commands such as Alexa, ask my camera to take a picture can be given, and the camera will comply. Generally, this feature functions well. The 622GW is not only extremely user-friendly, but also easy to set up. Its 140-degree viewing angle might not be the widest, but it effortlessly captures everything through the windshield. The low light and extreme weather shooting modes utilize smart algorithms to enhance image quality, delivering sharp shots under challenging conditions. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best dashcams in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.